People who are going, welcome back to my channel. This video won't be long. Yeah, man. So, Elaine Thompson era withdrawn from the Diamond League Women's 200-meter race that will take place this Friday in Brussels, Belgium. Yes, so the CEO for MVP Track Club, Bruce James, said Elaine won't be running any 200-meter race for this season. She might run a couple hundred, but no 200-meter. And MVP Track Club is the club that Elaine is a member of. Okay, so I am a bit disappointed because I like when top athletes are in a race and they go neck to neck to neck until they cross the finish line. But I do understand that Elaine is tired. She's only human. Yeah, man, so I do understand. Yeah, man. Rest well, Elaine. Yeah, man. But she will be at the other race, the Diamond League race in Zurich. Yeah, man, and that will be the final Diamond League race as well, and not all the athletes will be qualified to go there as well. They it depends on the amount of points that they have. Yeah, and they will compete at the Zurich Diamond League races for money. Yeah, yeah, man, they will get some money. I think the top the top will be like 30,000 US or something like that. Yeah, man, I will talk more about that in another video because I don't really have all the facts right now about that. But I do know that not all the athletes will qualify to go there. That's a fact. And also they will compete for money. Yeah, man. So, as I said, Elaine withdrawn from the 200-meter race. So that leaves Shericka Jackson. She will be in the race and she will be going up against Sha'Carri Richardson of the US and Beatrice Masilingi and Christine Mamumba of Namibia. Yeah, man, those two Namibians, they were at the Tokyo Olympics. Christine ran from the back of the field and came in second, so she got the silver behind Elaine Thompson era. And Beatrice came in sixth. So, you know, a lot of people are questioning their gender based on their appearances and the fact that they are pretty much fast, and they also appear out of nowhere. You never they weren't on the scene until the Olympics. Them just pick them up and just place them right in the Olympics. Yeah, man, so there's a lot of talking about them. Their favorite event is the 400 meter, but they are banned from running the 400 meter because of their high levels of testosterone. So they are in the 200 meter, which absolutely makes no sense to me, but that's how the cookie crumble, and I don't have anything against them. That's how they were born. They can't do anything about it. But I do understand the concern from the normal athletes. Yes,